Focus. Smart decisions. Let's go.
100% throws.
All right. The good news is they look like they're low on numbers.
Hey, it don't matter, bro.
I know. He started a little late.
Yes, sir.
USC.
Yeah, time.
Oh, he's got two.
Chili, yeah. Good
It's up.
Yup.
There we go.
Jay. Jay. Great fill, Jay. Got Danny. Good thing.
Hey, get it back. Get it back. On him, Carter. Yes, Kirby.
Oh!
Come on, Trey. Yeah, Trey. He lost his own guy.
Let's go. Oh. Fucking bugs landed on me.
Let's go, Bugs.
Nice.
Cuts.
Cut. What the hell are we doing, dude? Give him help! Good push. Hey, Bikini, timeout. Let's go, Trey. Come on over here. Trey! Get down there, Trey. Hey, Georgia,
Glenn, get over top, Glenn, get over top. Stay over top, force to stay over top.
Hard mark.
No big. They're looking for
Right. Hey, get it back. Let's get it back. That's fine. Let's fight, White. Let's fight. Cook 14, let's go. You got time.
No unders, Light. No unders. No free unders. Nothing easy. Make him work for it. Come on, boys. No unders. Oh.
Good work, boys. Good team, David.
Work it, Light.
Hey, smart out. Nice, Shane, get it back. Smart offense.
No round, Fardy. No round.
Go around.
There we go. Way to fill, Jake Frizz.
Now coming, Glenn. Now coming.
Run through.
Hey, Chili.
Stay over top. Everyone over top.
Really hot in the second half.
Stanley.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Oh, that is not the look. That is not. It's all right.
Hey, Jackson, good dude.
Up.
Yeah, Jack. Yes, Jack.
1, 2, 3,
Up.
Yes. Hold the board.
Push the swing.
Yeah,
Good.
Up. Yeah, Jack.
Up.
Yeah.
around, Sean, no around.
Yeah, Brad.
Dude, Brad's so fucking good.
No, don't.
Wait for 2 minutes. What happened?
That Pat? Yeah, Pat.
Seal! Seal!
Yeah, Colin.
Colin.
Right!
Why are we shooting that? That's a dumb shot. Hit it! No big! No big! With that tube?
No, dude! Catch the dick!
Up!
Oh, fucking god, dude. Worst case is it goes into a three-way tie.
Go!
Oh, there's no way.
Yeah.
Because we have wins over both of them. So, no matter what, we're getting.
Anyone know the first tiebreaker? Is it head-to-head?
I think it's head-to-head. It's almost always head-to-head.
Yeah, but if we lose this game, Virginia has the same record as us.
Yeah!
Go, Paul! Defense!
Yeah, Johnny!
I'm in your ear, Kirby!
I didn't record that.
Yeah!
That's my dog! Let's go, 33! Pat, Dylan!
His last name is Frisbee.
Force is quick!
Yeah, go Dylan. Go
No
Dylan.
round, no round!
Yep.
Up!
No chili.
Working. Up!
Oh, yeah!
Yeah!
Cox!
Cox! Cox!
Let's fucking go, boys!
He pulls it. Gets the D. Gets the dog. That's my boy.
Same line, same line. Same line, same line, same line, same line. Same line, same line, same line.
Go! Jackson, you got one, go deep, go deep.
Yeah, Jackson. Stay on him, Jackson. You're hot, Jackson.
Jackson here, Jackson here!
Got two, got two.
Right back.
Cheers, Ron. Oh, my Lord.
Catch it, Chris.
Yes. Pretty penny, pretty penny.
Left.
That was in.
That was definitely it.
Oh, money.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Coach! 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 Is it? Yeah! Yeah, bring it in.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, boys.
Oh, shit. I guess I'll come with you.
Hey, hell yeah. Hell yeah, right? We came out, we got punched in the face, and we were like, fuck this, we're going out and we're taking this game because we know that we're a good fucking team. Our grit is killing them right now. Killing them right now. So let's keep working it. Let's make them, make them try to break it because right now they can't. They simply cannot. Let's keep going, boys. Let's roll.
Yes, sir.
Halftime's only 5 minutes. Make sure you're eating. Make sure you're drinking water. Make sure you're doing something to keep your body right? Here you go. Let's go, baby.
Bring it in. Keep up the work, boys. Cox on three, Cox on three. Hey, no, three, Cox.
That's a crazy halftime. The Maryland game was really fun.
Let's play with the game disc.
Up! Oh, you good, Jay.
Just like that was a D, but not a 10. Inside, Moose, inside.
Fucking bitch. That's my water.
Oh, feel that, Moose. No round, Moose, no round. No round, Moose.
I need somebody in my ear!
Big mark.
Hey, good DJ, Frizz.
Sorry, Johnny.
Come on, Jack. What are you doing?
I got two, Stay over top, Stanley. Stay up top.
Yeah, Brock.
Way to Phil.
Okay.
Dom.
Up!
Yeah,
Go, David, go.
He used 2 hands. Holy shit.
Four side.
Up.
Clear going.
Time!
Clear going.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, David.
Seal!
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Let's go.
I know I did it too, but goddamn.
Gain!
Hey, circle up, Wayne.
Green in light.
Hey, come on over.
Oh, sweet, that's half.
Good one, Shy.
Thanks, man.
Touch up. Hey, touch up.
Touch up. One team.
Hey.
Hey, really nice job, right? Really nice job. We're executing super well on the field. Let's tune up our sideline presence just a little bit, right? On this last one, Johnny was like, I need somebody in my ear. That's on us, right? That's on us. Let's make sure that we're focused in, helping on the sideline, focusing on the field. Otherwise, we're doing fan-fucking-tastic. Cool.
Hey, break it down.
So cool.
Hey, break train on 3.
1, 2, 3. Break train.
Oh my god, and their name's Night Train.
Hey, I get the.
We're gonna break them.
What the hell?
Shut the fuck up.
That's mean.
I'm talking to you, not the camera.
Hey, Carter.
Fucking the kids these days.
Brad.
3,
Colin.
4. Look behind you.
2.
5.
Jackson.
6.
Russ.
Was that
You.
Things. Like the thing that actually goes into the Chargers round.
They might be melting because they're just sitting in the sun, but it's feeling a little weird as they get some nutrients.
Like, you know how like laptop chargers are circular? It kind of looks like that.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
It's probably dead because everyone's been using it and it's been sitting in the heat.
Yeah. We'll live.
I charged
The hell,
it yesterday,
guys.
but I guess not. You can have whatever you want for me because I'm not going to eat all that. There's cashews, Cheez-Its, Pringles. Yeah, exactly. Don't eat the McDonald's.
I hate Buc-ee's. You guys are standing right in where they're playing. What the hell?
Jackson, that's all you! Jackson, that's all you! Jackson, forward! Hey, Jackson here! Jackson here! Give me something! Hey, roll it! Run back! Coming in that Vito here! Got nothing! Hey, Jackson, 2-2! Good! Hey, come here,
bowling.
Right.
Strike. Oh, I go to work. Strike. Strike. Hopefully you guys, because he's in the middle, and I can't yell that far. I need some food.
Jackson, you got sidelines. One on each side.
Jackson, get right. Jackson, go right. Drew, you got one back. Drew, you got one back.
Jackson, you got two.
Yeah.
No crazy things here. Mix-up shots.
2 yards.
Just got a good little cut, right on the inside, and
Oh, spin move.
No way you did that. We didn't do that.
yeah,
17 on the check.
Jackson, you got one left.
Jackson, get up there. No, get up back. Get up back.
Two.
Get up, that's all you got.
Dude, look, yeah. Go, Jackson. Go, Jackson. Go, Jackson.
Oh!
Right, Jackson. Right. Box him out. Box him out.
Good D, Jackson! Man fucking stepped over him. He said, "Excuse me."
Hey, let's go to work, wait.
Hey, let's go, offense. Take your time. Let's grind, boys. Let's grind. Nice, Carter.
Carter's so.
Gotta love the desperation of that voice.
Please.
Yeah, Jackson. Chill,
Relax,
chill,
relax.
chill.
Yeah.
That's close. Nice. Cool.
There you go. There you go, Kirby.
Yes. Good shot. Good shot.
Yeah.
Go!
Oh, what a low floater was that? Cox! Is that Trey? Oh, power. Nice, Trey.
Nice, Farhan. Good,
Go, Kirby.
Farhan.
Good hands, Kirby. Good hands. Chili. Good play, Brock.
Seal. There you go.
Hey, let's go, defense!
Jack, you're a five.
Try going deep! Try going deep! Brock, come in your ear. Watch that swing, Brock. Trey, you got two. You got two. One on each sideline.
Kirby coming in.
Inside, Brock. Inside.
Up there, Parsa. Yeah. Chili, guys.
Jay, you got the one. Just the one.
Get to the center, go right there.
Kirby left.
Oh! Yeah, Jack. Get your knees.
Seal. Up, Parsa.
Left.
Cox.
47's a shooter. Oh, my boy Gummer.